How to fix audio files in Sony Vegas Pro. Do you ever face the issue of importing audio files into your Sony Vegas? And when you listen to them, these sound strange or have no audio at all. It's quite perplexing, right? But worry not. If the audio sounds normal outside of Sony Vegas, here's a simple fix for you. Let's jump straight into the video. Firstly, close your Sony Vegas Pro. Then navigate to your program. The crucial step here is to use the following shortcuts. Ctrl Shift and double click on the program. Now you will see a notification pop up. What you need to do is check the box and press yes. There you have it. By doing this, you've cleared all your cached files. And now your audio should work perfectly. This method worked for me, and I hope it works for you too. If you are interested in more tutorials about Sony Vegas, let me know in the comments. Also, feel free to share what specific aspects of Sony Vegas you like to learn more about. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.